How do we say he is happy? We would say il est content. How would we say they are happy? And by they, I am referring to five boys. How do you say they are happy? Ils sont contents. How would you say they are happy? And I'm referring to girls. Elles sont contentes. How would we say we are happy? Nous sommes contents. Okay, so again, I encourage you to go ahead, work in that booklet. There are some practice exercise sheets and list of vocabulary words, list of everything that we had already seen. So practice making some sentences yourself, okay? Fabulous job, and I will see you in the next lecture.